There's a really useful new feature in Reminders on iPadOS 26 that uses Apple Intelligence to take a web page and turn it into a set of reminders for you. You might be thinking, hang on Jacob, what on earth are you talking about? Well, let me show you two quick examples. Here I've got a recipe for some cinnamon rolls, and like any recipe should have, there's a list of ingredients at the beginning. Now, I need to get most of these things, I haven't got them in the house, but I don't want to add them one by one into reminders into my shopping list. That would be a nightmare. So instead, I'm going to press the share button at the top of Safari, and I'm going to choose reminders to share this web page into. I'm going to get this little screen that comes up, and from here the first thing to do is to make sure I'm adding it to my shopping list. Right now it's on a different list entirely. And while I've been doing that, you may have noticed at the bottom a section for suggested reminders. And would you look at that? It's analysed the whole recipe, it's found the ingredients, and it's created a new reminder for each ingredient to add to my shopping list. From here, I can simply tap and select the ones I want to add, or I can add all of them to my shopping list. And that's it. I can now press done, and all of those items will appear in the shopping list on reminders, just like this. And it's not just shopping lists this feature works for. In the new tab in Safari, I'm researching places to visit in Mumbai for a trip in December, and you can see in reminders as I'm adding a few items down. But again, I found this great website with a list of different things that I'd like to explore, and I want to share this straight into reminders. So I'll press the share button, I'll go onto reminders, and I'll make sure I choose my places to explore in Mumbai list. And then you can see the suggestions are starting to form below from things that it's found on the webpage. And then I can simply tap onto the plus button next to any of these I want to be reminded of later. And what's really cool is when you add these to reminders, it's going to tell you they came from Safari. And when you press that little Safari button in reminders, it will take you back to the web page you found it from. Perfect for that recipe or for finding places to visit when you're travelling. And this is a really handy feature on iPadOS 26, but it's quite a hidden one. I think unless you knew it was there, you may never find it. And I've got loads more tips just like this on my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and go and see what else your iPad can do now you're updated. That's it. I'll see you in the next quick tip soon.